Folks, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your StreamYard and how to connect it to your YouTube channel. Okay, StreamYard is one of the best live streaming tool that the vloggers are using. Okay, to start with, we're going to create a account in StreamYard. Okay, you just click here, get started, and you just put your email address. So I have my email, so I just put here tutorial 2021. Oh, okay, gmail.com. And just to make sure that your email address is working, because the code will be sent to that email address. Okay, so I have here the code, so you just copy paste to your StreamYard. Then onward, welcome to StreamYard. Then onward. Okay, this is a plane, and we're going to put a destination to your channel. So since that we are using a new platform, you need to connect your YouTube channel. For example, add a destination to your account. So you just click a YouTube channel. So actually, if you want to use the live stream, you can use the Facebook, the Twitter, I know not Twitter, LinkedIn page, the Twitch. So first, I'll just teach you how to link it to your YouTube channel. So you just click it. Okay. So I'm using, for example, you're going to connect it to your main page. So you just click this one. That is my main page for my YouTube channel, and then allow, just click allow, and that's it, and you are ready to create a broadcast. That is a live stream to your channel. So now we're going to create a broadcast. Okay, so I have here my main channel, and we're going to create another ad as destination. So since that we're going to connect to your YouTube channel, so just click this one. Okay, and have here, okay, and then click allow, and here we go. So in a title, you need to put what is the purpose of your live stream, like let's grow together. So I just put here, so I just put here let's grow together, and just says copy paste. So since that I'm doing a this I'm doing a tutorial, no, I will just put a public. I just put a private because I'm doing a tutorial. So if you are okay with that, then you can put also a public. So create broadcast.
Watch your FTV.
Okay. Okay. So before you, this is the setup of the StreamYard. Before you go live, you need to make sure that your mic is working. You will know if your mic is working because you can see this portion here is green. You can set up as well your camera. Okay, if you're using other camera attached to your computer, you can go here at the setting, and then you can click here And if you have another camera, actually you can use the other so here. Okay, so if you don't have, of course, the automatically is the built-in camera with your computer. So this is the high definition. If you want it wider or just a small one, or just to maximize the the screens, so you can choose in low definition, standard, or high definition. But for me, I'm just using the standard definition. So audio, for example, you have your own microphone, and then you can set that, or you just leave it because the computer have their auto microphone as well. So you need to test as well if your speaker and you can hear a music, yeah, like that. So automatically adjust the micro volume, the echo cancellation, and okay, right. Okay, since that you are ready, you can set also your avatar here. For example, you have your own avatar and you want to use the other photo, just like mine. For example, only this one. You want to use this photo as your avatar. Okay, and then it will appear there. Okay, for the display name, I always use as my channel. So this will be my channel, and if you're ready, and then you can enter the studio. Okay, this is the studio type. This is the studio dashboard, and here you can see on the left side there is a box. So just click add to stream, so you can see your picture here. Okay, and you can see the boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the purpose of this is the option. If you want to show your screen to the public, you want to show your screen with 2 people, you can show your screen with you and the screen, and 2 people can see, or 3 people can connect to your StreamYard. 2 people can connect to your StreamYard as well. Yes, like that. So if you want, you can only set into one person, that is you. Okay, and now I'm going to teach you how to share your screen to the public and connecting the audio. So when you go live, you have your music as well. You can play whatever music you want to play. So now I'm going to share. Click the share. Okay, and share screen, and click share screen as well. Okay, you can see the window. You can see now the entire screen of the computer. You just click it, and then don't forget at this side, this is a share audio. So when you go live later, you can the public can hear the music that you want to play. Okay, and then you just click share, and just click it like that. So as you can see your own screen as well, and you. So because you choose this one, so if you want to choose this option, the public can only see the screen. So whatever you want to share with the public, they can able to see that. So there is a screen as well, and you. Okay, and then 3 people. This is the 3 people who invite to join with you during the live stream. So in order to invite your friend to share with you during the live stream, you can click here invite. You can give them the link, and you can share up to 10 people on the screen at the same time. So you just click, and actually you can copy paste this one, and can put here and click. So since I'm on in private, so I cannot post music, but actually you can post a comment here and pin the the link. Okay, so this is the setup now. So for me, I don't want people to see my screen or whatever. So I just want only me. So I will just set only me here. Okay? And to make sure that I have a music, how to share the music while you're doing live. Okay? You just go to YouTube. And be careful when you are playing the music because it will strike you with the copyright claim after that, and sometimes you cannot use the live stream, so it's just a waste of time. So you can play any song you want as long as it's not no copyright. Okay, so sometimes I'm playing this, so even you're playing a music and you're doing a live stream, your music can share to the public. They can able to hear the music as well. Alright, so when you are ready, setting up also your banners here, can show your banners here, and actually you can customize.
One, two, three, four, five, six,
Yes, and you can put the color. You can put the color, brand color here. So if you want color pink, yes, yes, this is actually magenta. So that's it. So you can set the color and the banners, and yes, you can use the banners here. So for example, I just want to put let's grow together. So this one will show up below your name, your YouTube channel. So I just click the one and add banner, then show, and then here it is. This is your sticker. So since that I'm ready, you can click the go live now.
Uh-oh, who did this?
Yes, this is how very easy, and you can start go live. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and like this, and shout out, make the love shout out, and whatever. Okay, that's it, and hope you like my video, and if you have some questions, you just put a comment below. Thank you so much.